Marc Lichtenfeld is out with another teaser where he claims Nvidia is going all in on a $10 biotech stock. He thinks this $10 biotech stock has the potential to make investors a lot of money, but as usual, he won't tell you the name of this company unless you buy his newsletter. Lucky for you, based on the clues in his presentation, I was able to figure out which stock he's talking about. And in this video, I'll reveal the stock for free. I'm also going to share some useful data for this stock to help you decide if it's actually a good investment. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now before I reveal the stock Marc is talking about, I want to look at some of Marc's stock picks from the last few years to give you a sense of how good he is. Back in November 2020, Marc suggested investing in Stag Industrial because it rents out warehouses to Amazon. Stag is a real estate investment trust which is great for dividend investors. Since 2020, their dividend has been growing and is now about 4%. In March 2023, Marc's top pick in the oil and gas sector was Permian Basin Trust. Unfortunately, this stock hasn't done well and is down 50% over the past year. Earlier, in February 2022, Marc recommended two oil stocks to profit from the new oil boom. One of them was Chord Energy, which has been quite volatile. It went up about 30% before dropping slightly, but it's still doing better overall. Marc also recommended Permian Basin Trust again, but it has continued to struggle. Now let's figure out the stock Nvidia supposedly loves based on Marc's clues. The first clue is that the stock is priced around $10 and belongs to a biotech company. Marc also mentions it's one of 5 companies in Nvidia's investment portfolio and represents a significant part of that portfolio. Lastly, the company uses AI for various purposes, including drug discovery. The company Marc is pitching is Recursion Pharmaceuticals. Recursion Pharmaceuticals is a biotechnology company that leverages the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to discover new drugs and therapies. The company's mission is to decode biology to radically improve lives by accelerating the process of drug discovery. Recursion Pharmaceuticals uses a platform called Recursion OS, which integrates automation, high-throughput biology, and artificial intelligence. This platform allows them to analyze vast amounts of biological data to identify potential drug candidates more quickly and efficiently than traditional methods. They aim to tackle various diseases, including genetic disorders, cancers, and infectious diseases. One of their key approaches involves conducting experiments on a large scale, generating massive data sets from cellular biology experiments. They use robotic systems to handle and process these large volumes of data, combining this with advanced AI algorithms to identify patterns and potential drug candidates. This approach is designed to speed up the traditionally slow and expensive process of drug discovery, potentially bringing new treatments to market faster. As of July 2024, Recursion stock is about $7 per share, which is down nearly 50% since the start of the year. Despite this drop, there are some positive signs. The company's market value is around $2.15 billion, up 25% from last year. This increase shows that investors are more confident, likely due to major improvements in their technology and partnerships. One big highlight is the launch of BioHive 2, a supercomputer using Nvidia's DGX systems. This supercomputer is one of the most powerful in the pharmaceutical industry and should greatly improve Recursion's ability to find new drugs. Financially, Recursion's first quarter 2024 results showed an earnings per share of -39 cents, which was better than the expected -42 cents. While the company is still losing money, it's important to note that they have a strong cash position and are heavily investing in research and development. This investment is crucial for their ambitious projects and long-term goals. Recursion has several promising drug candidates in their development pipeline. One key drug is REC 994, which is in phase 2 trials for treating cerebral cavernous malformations. The progress in these trials and the potential for good results are important factors for the stock. Adding to the positive outlook, investor confidence has been boosted by new high-profile appointments and partnerships. For example, the appointment of Dr. Robert Hirschberg as the new chair of the board brings over 25 years of biotech experience. His leadership could be instrumental in guiding the company through its next growth phase. Looking ahead, analysts have set a 12-month price target of about $13.67, which represents a 45.8% potential increase from the current price. This positive outlook is based on the company's strong technology, promising pipeline, and strategic partnerships. So overall, Recursion Pharmaceuticals is a high-risk, high-reward stock. However, just like most other biotech firms, they face risks related to clinical trial results and regulatory approvals. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.